Hi, I'm Jonathan Ross from Searchhub. This video will introduce how to use our Fingerprint button to confirm highly similar clusters previously defined by Searchhub. We'll also dig in a little bit on how to use predefined filters to help focus your optimization efforts. Let's dive in. Navigate on over to Transformations into Query Cluster. And now click on the Merge Clusters button like we did in the last video. Now, Searchhub isn't going to combine clusters without prior confirmation from you if it's lacking significant KPIs to make an informed performance decision. Let's have a look at an example. Let's go over to the predefined filters. I'm going to select high exit rate to hone in on some possible clusters. Now I'm just going to try and go through this list and see if there's anything that immediately pops into my eye. Here we go. Sideboard. I recognize this. It sounds like Sideboard. I bet if we have a look at all clusters, leave this one selected, and then search for Sideboard, we'll find a match. Boom, there it is. Okay, I'm going to combine those two and then move on because this is a wonderful optimization. It's kind of a typical German phonetic spelling error that we often see in search. This is how you might want to use a predefined filter, any one of these, but this one we used high exit rates, to optimize what immediately sticks out to you. But what about identifying potential cluster matches for variations that you would never have even thought of? That's what our fingerprint function is used for. Let's get back to our query Sideboard because I think that this one's full of potential. Click on that. Did you see the fingerprint symbol briefly flash? Now it's time to click on that. I've been waiting. All clusters shown here are sorted according to relevance. Now I can combine all the fitting query variations or cluster variations into the larger Sideboard cluster. There's quite a few of them here. So now I think I've already, that one Sideboard cluster I've already combined with Sideboard. So I'm seeing lots of different things here. My goodness, you never would think that there could be so many different variants to a single keyword, because Sideboard, that's the actual product that we're looking for here, and then all of these different. Okay, good. I think that we're done. We can click on done and then save in the upper right hand corner. So again, we have a larger target cluster combining all variants and search data from all the combined clusters under one master query, in this case Sideboard. And again, you'll notice while working the yellow highlights to the left of the queries that we've edited within the last day. This again is going to help you track where you're at. I think right now I'm finished with all my optimizations. If that's the case, you have the option to go to the deployment tab and review the list of all of your optimizations or trainings. You can either immediately deploy these changes, and that means that new master query is going to be the only thing that's sent to your search engine, or you can say we're going to wait until overnight to have those deployments taken care of automatically by Searchhub. Wrapping up, what have we talked about thus far? How to use our fingerprint function in order to confirm highly similar clusters identified by Searchhub. We also talked about predefined filters and how those can come in handy to help focus your optimization efforts. Thanks for using Searchhub, making search understand humans.